How to look clean and fresh all day long. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ever wonder how to keep that fresh and clean feeling all day long? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about how to look clean and fresh all day long. These tips are super easy and can be integrated into your daily routine without much effort. Let's get started. Tip 1. Personal hygiene. First things first, personal hygiene is key. Start your day with a refreshing shower. Use a gentle, hydrating body wash and a mild exfoliator to remove dead skin cells. Don't forget to brush your teeth and use mouthwash for that fresh breath. You can use mouthwash and dental floss to achieve that fresh breath all day long. Tip 2. Skincare routine. A clean and fresh face makes a huge difference. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser, followed by a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Then, apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Don't forget to use sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Tip 3. Hair care. Wash your hair regularly with a good quality shampoo and conditioner suited for your hair type. If your hair tends to get oily quickly, dry shampoo can be a lifesaver. It absorbs excess oil and adds volume to your hair, making it look fresh instantly. Tip 4. Makeup tips. For makeup, less is more. Go for a natural look with a BB cream or light foundation. Use a setting powder to prevent your skin from looking oily throughout the day. Carry blotting papers with you to quickly remove excess oil and keep your face looking matte. Tip 5. Clothing. Wearing clean, fresh clothes is a must. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton, especially during hot weather. Avoid wearing the same outfit 2 days in a row without washing it. Always keep a spare set of clothes handy, just in case. Tip 6. Hydration and diet. Staying hydrated is crucial. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin looking plump and fresh. Eating a balanced diet with lots of fruits and vegetables also helps in maintaining your overall freshness. Tip 7. Sleep. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep to wake up feeling refreshed. A well-rested body shows fewer signs of fatigue and looks much fresher. Tip 8. Confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Stand tall, smile often, and embrace your natural beauty. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear. Tip number 9. Hand and nail care. Pay attention to your hands and nails. Keep your nails clean and trimmed, and consider using a moisturizing hand cream to keep your hands soft. A neat manicure can make a big difference in looking polished. Tip number 10. Scent. Having a pleasant scent can make you feel and appear fresh. Use a light, refreshing perfume or body mist. Reapply as needed throughout the day. You can also use deodorant to stay smelling fresh. Tip 11. Oral hygiene on the go. Keep a travel-sized toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash in your bag. After meals, freshen up quickly to maintain good oral hygiene and fresh breath. Tip 12. Foot care. Don't forget about your feet. Keep them clean and moisturized. If you're on your feet all day, consider using foot powder or deodorant to prevent any unpleasant odors. Tip 13. Minimal accessories. Stick to minimal accessories that won't weigh you down or get in the way. Simple earrings, a watch, or a delicate necklace can enhance your look without overwhelming it. Tip 14. Maintain good posture. Good posture can make you look more confident and put together. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and walk with purpose. It can really enhance your overall appearance. Tip 15. Refresh throughout the day. Carry a facial mist spray in your bag to quickly refresh your face throughout the day. It can help you feel more awake and keep your skin looking dewy and fresh. And there you have it, ladies. Those are my top tips on how to look clean and fresh all day. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.